Hello. Today we will show how to save the content of a blob field into the file. We have already created a directory and SQL Server connection. Let us create new transformation. Assigning data reader properties. Source type is Microsoft SQL Server. Connection name is SQL. Selecting table name. We have an error. This no problem with pulling data from SQL Server blob fields. The blob field must be last in our query. Let us change the source from table to SQL. Great, it is working now. There is no need for validator. Assigning data writer properties. The target type is file system. Mapping data. Ready to process the data. All done. Thank you for watching.